Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials: power, pairing mode, and compatibility. Make sure the headset supports Xbox or uses a Bluetooth audio adapter. Once done, reboot both the Xbox and the headset so cached connection errors clear. Next, remove any existing pairings on the headset and the console. This prevents conflicts. Now open Settings, Devices, and Connections Accessories and put the headset into Discovery. If it shows, proceed to pair. If not, we'll move to the next deeper diagnostics. Once the device appears, pair it using the Accessories page or your Bluetooth adapter's pairing button. Accept any firmware updates, since firmware often fixes mic issues. Next, go to Profile and System Settings, General Volume and Audio Output, and explicitly select the headset for both chat and game audio so the mic routes correctly. Also check privacy and online safety to ensure voice communication is allowed. Make sure party chat permissions aren't blocking you. If audio is low or mute. To finish, run a live mic test in a party chat or use the Xbox Accessories app loopback test to verify input. If the mic still fails, switch to a wired connection or use an official Xbox Bluetooth/USB adapter to rule out wireless incompatibility. As a final step, factory reset the headset or reinstall firmware using the manufacturer's tool. This often resolves stubborn glitches. If problems persist after these steps, contact headset or Xbox support with exact model and steps you tried. Keep that info ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.